Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how you guys can fix the Xbox error code 0x8b0500b6, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys want to do is you want to go and head over to, or you're going to click on the Xbox logo on your controller. You want to head over to Profile and System. You want to scroll down until you see Sign Out, and you want to go ahead and sign out of your account. Once you do that, you can go ahead and sign back in, and you can check to see if that fixes the issue. If that does not fix the issue, the second method you guys can try doing is going to Settings. From Settings, go down to Account and going to Remove Accounts. Now, you want to basically just remove your account and then add it back. It's a little bit similar to the first step. But anyways, yeah, once you do that, you should be good to go, and check to see if that also fixes the issue. The third method I recommend you guys doing is heading over to General. From General, going to Network Settings, and then from Network Settings, scrolling down to Advanced Settings. Now from here, what you're going to do is you're going to select the primary and secondary DNS options, and you're going to change the primary DNS settings to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS settings to 8.8.4.4. Now once you go ahead and do that, you should be all good to go. And that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.